Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add name to your album in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add name to your albums, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now, go to Edits. There you'll be able to access your albums and also create a new album. So to create a new album, simply click here and select album. Now here you can add the name of your album. Now click on OK to create the new album and access the album. And just like that, we have added name to our album in Lightroom. Furthermore, to add your photos from your gallery, click here and you'll be able to access your gallery photos in this album. And just like that, we can add name to our album in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.